going to do a goop flat tire repair. So your tire is flat. Step 1, remove the valve cover. Step 2, you don't need this part for a different valve. This will screw on where the valve cap was. Make sure it goes on completely so you can't turn it anymore. It doesn't have to be tight, just all the way down. And then you just push on the top and it leaks. If it leaks, try to retighten. There we go. Just gonna go until the can is empty, but pause and just make sure that the tire is on all the way around, both sides, and then continue until the can is empty. The tire is reinflated. Going. And now we take this off, some of this is going to squirt out, so unscrew it kind of fast. Alright. Little cleanup of the shaving cream. Put your valve cap back on. And this will get you home. Now the next day this is going to be flat, but it's just because of the CO2, so just reinflate your tire and it'll be good to go.